Hey, Crypto Cashback community. I'm here to show you if you have a fresh install going on our wallet and you're failing to get connections. Just a quick fix through while T-Finch works on getting a more stable release, and we can figure out all these issues to make everything easy. So I want to do a video because a lot of people are better at seeing what's going on. So let's get started. I'm going to do a fresh install. So already downloaded the wallet. You want version 1.2.0.1. And then when you kick it on, you're going to do, should come up with your installation. And we're going to let it load. Alright, you're going to see the no block source available. It's not going to get any connections on a fresh install right now, even with our seeder running properly and all that. It's just something's going on behind the scenes in the wallet that it's not enabling it to grab a hold of a good connection. So what we have to do is use the bootstrap plus reindexing. So we're going to go to our tools. Easy way to get to your folders is show automatic backups. Go to your CCB directory. You're going to exit out of your wallet. And then basically you can just delete everything but the wallet.dat. And this is for a fresh install. So delete it all. Come over to our Discord where we have the bootstrap here. I'm actually going to pin this while I'm talking to you guys. And then come download the bootstrap. So you'll see the files here. Just go over to download, direct download. I'm going to put it right on my desktop. Save. Now I kept that other folder open. That way when we come down, alright, still waiting for it to download. So as it's downloading, everything's ready. We can just open that up right now, minimize out of here, and then just copy everything over. So select it all, move it right into your CCB folder. Complete. I don't see my peers one. Let's do a little refresh. There it is. Alright. So from there, you're going to go back to your wallets and restart your wallet again. And it's going to have to go reload the index. And you're going to get this force start error. So if you've never used the force start command, easiest way to do this is you hit OK. It's going to lock out. And then should close the wallet down. There we go. Okay, so if you're on Windows 10 like me, you're going to go to Run. Alright, and then you can see this is already loaded up for this, but you'll have to find where your wallet location is and then your wallet exe, and then add next to that, space between the exe and then dash for start. And you hit OK, and this should force start the wallet. And here we go. So it's going to start rebuilding and getting this wallet set up. Mind you, we don't want this to happen, but this is going to be a workaround until we can fix it permanently. So we're keeping our wallet date update off of CryptoBridge right now. We're still closed down because we want to have things right, because CryptoBridge will charge you if you want to update again inside of a month. So we really don't have the funds for another, to keep on making any mistakes with CryptoBridge. So we want to give them a 100% reliable wallet. So that's the delay on that. So in the meantime, Subidex is on this wallet version. So if you guys want to start pumping up the volume on there and doing a little bit of trading, feel free. This wallet works on there. So that's it in a nutshell for that one. But we're trying to protect you guys, so we understand the inconvenience of updating and then it not working, and we're trying to get things right for you. This Pivx exploit stuff really set a lot of projects up for a lot of nightmares here. So we're working on it. Da, 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 da. Come on, wallet. All right. So you're going to get here, and it's going to say you're only 17 hours behind because this is where the bootstrap puts you. Now, we still can't get any connections to the network. So this is where Aviator figured it out for the Explorer. What we have to do here is re-index. So how do you do that? You go to your tools, go to wallet repair, and then rebuild index. So it's going to shut down the wallet again, and now you should start from 19 weeks behind, and it's going to start scanning blocks. So it's re-indexing the blocks that are on the disk from the bootstrap. In the meantime, you're going to start getting connections. So let's hope this thing doesn't make a fool out of me, because I verified this as working. So let's do, while that's doing that, I'm going to figure out how to pause this. And okay, just a quick check back. You can see I got 11 connections already through 35,000 blocks. So this should fully sync up. I'm not gonna, waste everybody's time and show you it sync all the way through. So this should be, the quick workaround now, and I hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Peace out.